fun seeing everything, seeing how the manufacturing works, and I like with the summer camp, I like having people that I'm working with, and I like how we're all coming together on a good idea, and we're all thinking of ideas and everyone's ideas being put to use, and I like how it will start our process for when we get older.
What was this thing about pioneering? What surprised you about manufacturing here in Pioneer? What did you really like get out of that though?
I liked how easy it was, how I saw things out there and it was like, oh, this will be done in 2 minutes, this will be done in 30 seconds, and I thought it was real easy. I thought it was really easy out there and how simple it was, where it would just be done, but then I also thought it was cool how much detail goes into it and how it has to be within a certain measurement and how it has to be within a certain range, otherwise it won't fit, and how, like, if something's not right, it has to be fixed in order for it to be perfect. And I thought that was really cool how they do it so easily, like it's like on the back of their hand.